Good everyone, my name is Goddan. So I have this question that says root 18 times root 32, and number 2, root 10 times 2 root 3 times root 12 times 3 root 8 times root 40 times root 32. Now, the multiplication law of Surds says that if I have root A multiplying another surd, root B, the result is the square root of A multiplied by B. So for example, if I have root 5 multiplying root 6, the result is the square root of 5 times 6, which is equal to the square root of 30. Now, your answer in Surd must always be simplified. So which means we'll go ahead to simplify root 30, which will then equal the square root of, now, like I said in last class, I said to simplify, the best way to simplify is to express the number as a product of its prime. So 30 is the same thing as 2 times 15. 15 is the same thing as 3 times 5. Okay, so there are no pairs. So it means that root 30 is the most simplified form of 5 times 6. Now, so our question number 1, we have root 18 times root 32. Now, this is the same thing as having it as root 18 times 32. You see, don't stress yourself. In case you are not able to multiply 18 times 32, and of course, there is no calculator, just simplify 18, simplify 32, and you'll be able to multiply 18 and 32. So that means root 18 is the same thing as 2 times 9, while 9 is the same thing as 3 times 3. Then 32 is the same thing as 2 times 18. 18 is the same thing as, 32 is the same thing as 2 times 16. 16 is the same thing as 2 times 8. 8 is the same thing as 2 times 4. And then 4 is the same thing as 2 times 2. Now, we can write all of these as one single sum. So we say root 18 times root 32 will equal the square root of, that is 2 times 3 times 3 times, or 32 now, 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. So now, remember, to do this multiplication, once you have solved, every pair is a root of a number. So these 2 pairs is the root of one number. We have another pair 2, that's times 2. We have another pair 2, that's times 2. In fact, we have another pair 2. That's times 2. That means that root 18 times root 32 gives us a perfect square, which is now equal 3 times 2, 6, 6 times 2, 12, 12 times 2, 24. And that will be our answer. Now, for number 2 now, we have root 10 times 2 root 3 times root 12 times 3 root 8, then times root 40 times root 32. Now, you see, these ones, the numbers outside the root are already the square root of a number. So we bring them together, 2 times 3. Now you see every other numbers inside the root, bring them together. We have 10 times 3 times 12 times 8 times 40 times 32. Very simple. Just simplify them. 2 times 3 is 6. So we have 6 already outside the root. 10 is 2 times 5. 3, we have 3. 12 is 2 times 6. 6 is 2 times 3. 8 is 2 times 4. 4 is 2 times 2. Now 40 is 2 times 20. 20 is 2 times 10. 10 is 2 times 5. Then 32 is 2 times 16. 16 is 2 times 8. 8 is 2 times 4. And then 4 is 2 times 2. Very simple. Begin to pair them. This is a pair. We already have 6 here. Then times 2, right? Times, this is a pair. That's 3. This is a pair. That's 2. 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 This is another pair. That's 2. Now, this and this is another pair. That's 2. Then this and this is another pair. That is 5. So all of this multiplication also gave us a perfect square. So we can now have, this is equal, 6 times 2 is 12. 12 times 3 is 36. 36 times 2 is 72. 72 times 2 is 144. 144 times 2 is 288. 288 times 2 is 596. 596 times 2 is, that's so let's do the multiplication at this point. 596 times 2, we have 2, we have 9, and then we have 11. 1192. Oh, where did I stop? Sorry, I take that again. 6 times 2 is 12. 12 times 3 is 36. 36 times 2 is 72. 72 times 2 is 144. 144 times 2 is 288. 288 times 2 is 596. Now, 596 times 2 is 1192 times 2. That is, this gives us 4, 8, 3, and 2. That's 2,384. Then times 5 will give us 5 times 4 is 20. This one is 42. This is 19. And then this is 11. So the answer is 11,920. Please do well to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel at Goddan School of Mathematics. So I come your way again. Bye for now.